Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to search email by attachment file format in Gmail. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to search all emails having PDF files or by any other file format, then you simply need to open Gmail app. In Gmail app, you need to press on search in mails and here press on attachments. Now friends, if you want to search all the mails having any type of attachments, then you need to select has any attachment. Now it will show all the emails having attachment of any file format. So like this you can search for any particular type of file format. For that you need to unselect this option has any attachment. Now again press on search in mails, press on attachment. Now I want to search emails having documents in their attachments. For that I need to select documents. Now it will show all the emails having Word, Excel or any other document in attachments. Friends, like this you can very easily search for any type of attachment. Like you can search for PDF file format also. Now it will show all the emails having PDF file in attachment. So friends, like this you can very easily search email by attachment file format in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.